is gone, but I think he's trying to communicate.
For years, the Pitt Med faculty have been experimenting and brainwashing students. All they care about is research and NIH funding. They want to make us into researchers, not doctors. The night Will disappeared, the scholarly research projects were due. Ever since I met her, I can't get her out of my head. She escaped from an evil organization called MSTP. They call her 11 because she's on her 11th year of her PhD.
Will, what are they serving for lunch talks in the Upside Down?